create a legacy far bigger and enduring than what the drug war did to the Duterte name. Brace yourself, guys. This is gonna be the longest and most informative PGMN episode, maybe of all time. Leila de Lima.
Maaari niyong isalba ang bansang ito mula sa isang kriminal na pangulo sa pamamagitan ng pagdeklara na dahil sa kanyang kriminal na pag-iisip ay wala siyang kakayahan na gampanan ang mga katungkulan ng isang pangulo.
We all know her from the Liberal Party, dating senador at ngayon nanalong kongresista para sa mamamayang Liberal Party list. Well, she recently vowed to criminalize red tagging. And to be fair, hindi ito bago. Nung siya ay senador sa 18th Congress, she filed Senate Bill 2121 na naglalayong i-define at gawing krimen ang red tagging at sabi sa bill, ang red tagging ay yung pag-label, pagtawag o pag-portray sa mga individual, grupo o organisasyon bilang state enemies, subversives, mga komunista o terorista. In February last year, 2024, the Supreme Court in Derudo versus Binoya declared that red tagging is a threat to life, liberty, and security. At ito ang naging basihan ng COMELEC Resolution 11116 na explicitly nagbabawal sa red tagging, labeling, or vilifying individuals or organizations as communists, terrorists, or subversives without evidence during election campaigns. Election offense na yan ngayon, punishable by imprisonment of up to 6 years and disqualification from holding public office. Ang bigat, di ba? Now, according to data from Vote Report PH, 1,750 reports of campaign violations were filed nationwide. 1,348 of these were reported online and 402 on ground. 99.63% of the online reports were red tagging related. 0.22% lang ang black propaganda o disinformation. On ground, 47.26% were about red tagging and only 10.20% were about black propaganda or disinformation. Nagkaroon ng bagong category. As expected, ang daming reports that came from the Makabayan Bloc.
It actually hurt our campaign dahil nakita naman natin how the resources of the government, how agencies like the National Defense, the PNP, the DILG, and other agencies of the government